Good morning guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Travel Fun. Today is day 3 in Georgia और आज का प्लान है कि हम जाने वाले हैं गोदावरी. Now Godori is a place जहाँ पर snowfall देखने मिलता है. Godori from here is around 40 to 45 minutes का drive, and this place is going to be like there is going to be snow, but luckily आज it's a bright sunny day. The temperature somewhere is around 5 to 6 degrees, so maybe not, but let's hope for the best and we will enjoy. तो चलते हैं because गाड़ी आ चुकी है, breakfast हो चुका है, तो all set and let's start the day. Stay tuned. Most of the viewers and most of my friends have asked me how is this place and where am I living. So I'll just quickly show you the place where I'm living. It's an apartment which I have booked. You can book hotels, you can book apartments, and the prices and all I will share it with you. So this is my living room. As you can see this is my living room. You have all the amenities followed by the balcony.
Going for ice trip. Catch you soon there.
This is the first bedroom, followed by the second bedroom. The owner of this house, and this is your common bathroom and toilet. So guys, overall this place is like this, and from here we are starting our trip and then enjoy. गरम चाय और 2 डिग्री, perfect combination. So as you can see this place behind me, it's a dam or it's a tea break as well. ठंड बहुत बढ़ चुकी है, बट यू नो इट्स गुड टू कम आउट इन द सन. धूप है तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है, यू कैन जस्ट एंजॉय दिस सन. और यहाँ से अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट्स मोर देन 50 किलोमीटर्स वेयर वी हैव टू रीच. सो आई थिंक 10 मिनट्स इज़ मोर देन इनफ. बाकी तो आप लोग ये व्यू एंजॉय कर लो.
Hello guys, we are in 1000 years old caves.
Is it?
And in 17th century it was built.
Woohoo! Okay, this space is quite narrow.
Too much.
Woo! Neo. Wow.
Mr. Hamdan Khan Traveler. Amazing.
We need a lot of core exercise over here.
Oh my god, it's too much. Then I'll kill you, Rio. See the view, guys. Where we are.
Good afternoon, guys. We have finally reached Godori. So this is the place. I think this is the last place to visit in Tbilisi. Best part of this is always covered in snow throughout the year. So as you can see, this glaciers. So this is how Godori is. I'll take you to the close look of this place. There will be something more which we are gonna do today, so stay tuned.
Hi, guys.
We have taken some missions,
So we are going to fulfill it.
but this is going to be a life-changing for the very first time in my 25 years.
Yeah. We are shivering, but it's okay. Let's
First-hand experience.
She's the one who will be taking care of us, taking all the responsibility. Mom, just look at her. If there is anything, you can come and catch her.
Guys, are you all ready to join the club?
Yes.
Just give me, give me a try, just give me a try, just give me.
बर्फ फेंक ऊपर. Oh shoot! Polar bear climbing up. आ रहे हैं. ओए चिल्लाया.
Time, coming. Chal.
And this is another polar bear. फिर से.